So here's the big question. This is a supposedly non-communicating, not smart meter installed for $125 because there was already a smart meter when I moved in by the city of Longmont. I am paying $24 a month extra to have them come and read it manually. And this is a magnetic field meter, and I'm just curious. So a non-smart meter is still way higher than what is recommended, but not as high as my friend's actual smart meter, which was literally off the charts when we measured. Probably some people want to know, like, how far away is a reading? This is still above recommended. It's only about 3.5, 4 feet away. Coming up to an apartment complex with the magnetic reading on right now. So it does max out. That one does too. That one does also.